with Anna. New year and new focus on well-being. Big events can be stressful for delegates, and that can lead to unhealthy habits like binge eating and lack of sleep at events. But you as DMOs have the key to help event organisers to overcome some of these things. Let's have a look at 5 easy ways to do that. Number 1, relaxation experts. Make sure you know who your experts are in your destination that can help delegates chill out. Yoga would be one of those examples. Number 2, outdoor fun. Suggest cool outdoor activities, something like net walking or street wisdom. That's a bit of a shameless plug for something I do on the side. Cultural connection. Look at how you can bring in your local culture to the agenda and make transformative experiences. Healthy eating. Recommend the best locally produced and organic foods that will keep your delegates energized. And finally, hydration stations. Making sure that people are drinking water, they're refreshed all day, will help them keep mentally alert. And the really amazing thing about all of this is when you have that next sales conversation with your client, ask them, how can we make your delegates happier and healthier while they're with us? They're going to be blown away by this question, and I can guarantee not many others are going to ask it. Take care, see you next week.